Alright, so we're ready to begin ironing. Make sure that you have an iron board and an iron, and you need to use either distilled water or filtered water. So hopefully you have one of those available to you. The reason is because you don't want to gunk up your iron with any sort of minerals, or like accidentally stain your clothing if the water maybe has some sort of iron orange tint to it. So turn it to the cotton setting, and then the straight parts of the shirt are fairly straightforward, but when you get to the curved parts, you might have to start utilizing the end of this ironing board. Careful not to burn yourself. So yeah, just gonna use that. You might need to kind of manipulate the area around the fabric. We're more concerned about the seam than we are like the inside flap. So you can see the seam is pretty nice looking. You may even consider just getting some kind of like flat object or your fingernails and doing what I do and sort of manually ironing those curves first. So yeah, see how I'm using the edge? You can use this ironing board or whatever board you have in all sorts of different ways. So the result of that seam is nice and crisp. This is what I like to see. So again, these straight ones, fairly straightforward. Okay. Well, except for the bottom. The bottom gets kind of curvy. So this is the part where I might have to pre-fold a little. Stretch out the fabric a little as I'm going down. Maybe kind of go back over some areas that got a little messed up. It's looking pretty good. Get out some of the other wrinkles too while you're at it. Alright, let's take a look at that one. Ooh, yeah, ta-da! Look at that. Nice and flat. So this here's what your iron seams should look like. So please do that on all your seams before you sew the rest of the garment together, if you can, unless you've already moved ahead. And then we will be ready to start working on the sleeves.